Hi everyone, it's Deanna with Goodness Greenish, and I thought I would pop in today and talk about one of our new eyeshadow palettes. I'm just going to do a quick look, and today I'm doing the one on the Romantic eyeshadow palette. Look at that gorgeousness. Anyway, you'll probably see a few new products out of our new powder collection. So we have new blushes, new bronzers, new highlighters, and new eyeshadow palettes. And I'm just really excited. So this is going to be the first one I will do. And I'm actually going on vacation. So I plan on doing more when I get back. So anyway, I'm just going to get started. I'm just going to do a full look, and from beginning to end, I'll probably speed up a little bit. And this is my first time doing something on IGTV. I may put this on YouTube as well, so I'm not really sure, but hopefully y'all like it. And definitely comment, send me messages on any other looks that you would like me to test out, or any other products as well. All right, here we go.